Xiaomi Mi 10 vs Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro were officially launched as the latest flagship phones by Xiaomi earlier on Thursday. The new Mi series smartphones come with curved AMOLED display panels and flaunt quad rear cameras to take on the competition. The Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro both run Android 10 out of the box, with the latest MIUI on top. Other key specifications of the two phones include Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC and 20-megapixel selfie shooter. That being said, both the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro have some major differences that you should consider before making the buying decision. So, to make things easier for you, we take a look at the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro price and specifications to detail the differences between the two new Xiaomi phones. Mi 10 vs Mi 10 Pro. Price. The Xiaomi Mi 10 price is set at 3,999 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 40,900 for the base 8GB plus 128GB variant, while its 256GB storage option is priced at 4,299 Chinese yuan, roughly 43,900 rupees. There is also the Mi 10 12GB plus 256GB variant that comes at 4,699 Chinese yuan, roughly 48,000 rupees. The phone comes in titanium silver black, peach gold, and ice blue color options and is currently available for pre-orders in China, with its sale planned for February 14th. In contrast, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro price is set at 4,999 Chinese yuan, roughly 51,100 rupees, for the 8GB plus 256GB variant, while its 12GB plus 256GB option comes at 5,499 Chinese yuan, roughly 56,200 rupees, and the top-of-the-line 12GB plus 512GB model is priced at 5,999 Chinese yuan, roughly 61,300 rupees. The phone comes in pearl white and starry blue color variants and is already available for pre-orders in China. However, its availability is set for February 18th. Details about the India launch and pricing of the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro are yet to be revealed. Xiaomi Mi 10 vs Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Specifications. Features. Xiaomi Mi 10 and Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro both come with dual SIM Nano support and run Android 10 with MIUI 11 on top. The smartphones also have identical 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 1080 by 2340 pixels curved AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. The display panels also have the hole punch design, HDR10+ support, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Under the hood, both handsets have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC, paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. The Mi 10, however, has up to 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage, while the Mi 10 Pro comes with as much as 512GB UFS of 3.0 storage. Mi 10 vs Mi 10 Pro. Cameras. For photos and videos, the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro have quad rear cameras. The camera setups, however, have different sensors on both phones. The Mi 10 houses a 108-megapixel primary sensor with a 7-element f1.69 lens and OIS support, 13-megapixel secondary sensor with a 123-degree f2.4 lens, and a pair of 2-megapixel sensors with f2.4 lenses. The Mi 10 Pro, on the other hand, has a 108-megapixel primary sensor with an 8-element f1.69 lens, 8-megapixel secondary sensor with an f2.0 lens to enable 10x hybrid zoom, 12-megapixel tertiary sensor with a portrait f2.0 lens with 2x optical zoom support, and a 20-megapixel quaternary sensor with an f2.2 wide-angle lens that has a field of view (FOV) of 117 degrees. The Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro also come with a 20-megapixel selfie camera that supports features such as AI camera, Memoji Cute Shot, 3D Beauty, and front panorama. Connectivity options on both the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro include dual-mode 5G, SA plus NSA, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, AGPS, and a USB Type-C port. The smartphones also come with in-display fingerprint sensor. The Xiaomi Mi 10 packs a 4780 mAh battery with 30W wired and wireless charging support. However, the Mi 10 Pro includes a smaller, 4500 mAh battery than what's available on the Mi 10, but with 50W wired fast charging and 30W wireless fast charging. Both phones also come with 10W reverse wireless charging support. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.